What about the last major fitness controversy or cancellation? Sure, we have stuff like the Liver King, where he literally admitted it, so of course people were talking about it. But it seems like Joey Swoll has a different person who's being a goon at the gym every other day who ends up just getting completely dragged to the point where they're just deleting their accounts or removing all the comments or whatever, you know? And maybe rightly so. Don't get me wrong, some people are being ridiculous, but God forbid it turns out any of these people are innocent or that it was just a bad out of context clip. Why? Why are people so quick to do this kind of stuff? I mean, it's like there's just this rush for novelty, a rush to be the one who breaks the story like a little content goblin. Creators will find something interesting, find something controversial, and in a rush to be the first to post about it, to get that click, to get that view, they don't dig any deeper. They don't do any research. They press record, they start talking, and that's it. I mean, if you got any of these, really short form content influencers out there on a long form video, on a podcast, and you ask them for more information about the topics they're producing content on, I would imagine that it would sound something like this clip.
Teaching children, not teaching them critical race theory.
And what is critical race theory?
Well, I'm not going to get into the specifics of it because I don't understand it that much.
Also want to clarify, I like Joey Swoll. I think he actually does a really good job waiting and being patient and making sure the information is valid. Anyway.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that episode. If you got some value out of that, please give me a little subscribe somewhere in there, whether that is on Apple, Spotify, wherever you're listening right now. And you can also find me on TikTok, Instagram, pretty much everywhere, honestly, at AndrewPFM. So yeah, guys, until next time, we'll see y'all later.